Hey guys, I got this 20-inch Reborn doll to review and I'm so excited. Let's open it up. Look how cute! So everything comes nicely packaged together. The doll itself in this adorable little blue outfit with stars on it. It even says happy birthday here. And it also comes with some accessories. So inside here, it comes with this cute little baby bottle. And it actually comes with the little pieces for the bottle to be correct. Oh my gosh. It comes with a little diaper. How cute. It even says a size number 3 on here. It comes with a little pacifier and then a little pacifier clip as well. That's so cute. So in here it comes with the birth certificate so that your child can name the baby whatever they want and make it their own. So that they can put on here the baby's name, the date of birth, the weight, the height, if it's a boy or girl, name of mom. This is so fun that they can even fill this out for themselves. Now, baby itself has a little sheer over it, so you're going to want to go ahead and just remove that. The hair feels like actual hair. That is so cool. This is also a hand-painted face. So the rosy cheeks, the blue eyes, the pink lips here, everything is hand-painted on here, and the skin feels very natural. The eyes also have eyelashes, and the eyelashes are actually feel like hair. The doll itself is 20 inches, so this is so fun. It's got a cute little outfit. The outfit itself can be removed. It's just Velcroed here on the back, so it can be removed and you could play with other clothes that you want to put on. The hat is like a little elephant with its trunk and its adorable little ears here, but if you wanted to go ahead and take off the hat, you can. And then baby has just the blonde hair here. And then, like I said, if you wanted to remove this, you can just remove the back and the clothes come right off. So this is a great Christmas present. This is a great birthday present for anybody who wants a little doll or baby doll. I love that the legs actually move, the arm actually moves, and the head moves as well. So you can play with baby and use your imagination and just be creative. This is so fun and I'm so excited for my girls to have this. Go check it out.